Welcome to your maths online class. We already discussed what is my polynomial, types of polynomial, zeros of the polynomial, long division, remainder theorem and factorization theorem. Okay, in the previous class we already discussed these 4 points. How to divide this equation by 1 plus x. Before doing a long division, write the equation in a standard form. What is my standard form? Standard form means the ordered pattern. So here 1 plus 2x cube plus x square. So write this equation in a ordered pattern. What is the highest power here? X cube. So 2x cube, then x square, then x. Next last is constant. So 2x cube. What should be the next number? X square. Is there any x square term? Yes, x square. Next positive x square. After x square, what should be the next term? That is x. Is there any x? No. So 0x. Then constant. What is the constant? Positive 1. Which is divided by 1 plus x. Write the equation 1 plus x in a standard form. So here x plus 1. Then how to divide two equations? How to divide 12 divided by 7? In 12 how many times? 12 divided by 7 is 1 times. So here also like this 2x cube divided by x. What is 2x cube divided by x? 2x cube divided by x. You can cancel x in x cube. X cube means x into x into x. From there you can cancel 1x. So x into x is x square. 2x square. Ready? Next 1 into 7. 1 into 7 is 7. Similar here 2x square into x plus 1. What is 2x square into x plus 1? 2x square into x. 2x cube. 2x square into 1. 2x square. Ready? Then what should we do? Then 12 minus 7, that is 5. Here subtraction. What is the answer? 2x cube minus 2x cube 0. X square minus 2x square. X square minus 2x square, that is minus x square. Then here 0x plus 1. Then repeat the same process. So 2x square, minus x square divided by x. What is minus x square divided by x? X square means x into x. From that you can cancel x. So here rest of the term is minus x. So here minus x. Minus x into x plus 1. What is minus x into x plus 1? Minus x into x, that is minus x square. Minus x into 1, that is minus x. Then subtraction. What is the answer? Minus x square minus minus x square, that is 0. 0x minus minus x. 0x means 0. Negative negative positive. So answer here positive x plus 1. Then x divided by x. What is the answer? X divided by x. X divided by x. X divided by x. That is 1. So right here positive 1. 1 into x plus 1. 1 into x is x. 1 into 1 is 1. So subtraction. What is the answer? 0. Here 0. So this is the long division. Here remainder is 0. Clear. Remainder theorem. So write the equation p of x. Not need to write in standard form. So 1 plus 2x cube plus x square. Then by it is divided by x minus 1. Then find it's a remainder. Not need to write these long division step. You know what is the remainder theorem? How to find a remainder? To find a remainder, just to find x from here. How to find x? So substitute x minus 1 equal to 0. Then you got x equal to 1. Then that x equal to 1 substitute in this equation. You will get remainder. What is p of? In the place of x is 1. 1 equal to 1 plus 2 into 1 cube plus 1 square. So p of 1 equal to 1 plus 2 plus 1. So p of 1 equal to 4. So here 4 is the remainder. What is the remainder theorem? To find the remainder, substitute x minus 1 equals 0, then you will get x. Substitute that x value in this polynomial equation, then you will get it's a remainder. Clear? Next to factorization theorem. Here is x plus 1 factor of x square plus 3x plus 2. How to check x plus 1 is factor? To check x plus 1 is factor, find its remainder. If the remainder is 0, then x plus 1 is factor. So here, first of all, write the polynomial equation. What is polynomial equation? X square plus 3x plus 2, which is divided by x plus 1. Then how to find remainder? To find remainder, that x plus 1 equal to 0, then you will get x equal to minus 1. Then that x equal to minus 1 substitute in the polynomial equation. What is p of minus 1? Minus 1 square plus 3 into minus 1 plus 2. Then p of minus 1 equal to 1 minus 3 plus 2. So p of minus 1 equal to 0. Then you can say that if p of minus 1 equals 0, x plus 1 is its factor. If p of 2 equals 0, x minus 2 is factor of that polynomial. That is factorization theorem. Next, find k. This is very important question. Find k if x minus 1 is factor of kx square plus 3x minus 1. So here x minus 1 is factor of this polynomial equation. That means its remainder is 0. Here given x minus 1 is factor, then we have to find k. Okay, very simple. How to find the remainder? To find the remainder, the equation divided by x minus 1. So find the value of x by equating 0. So x minus 1 equal to 0, then x equal to 1. That x substitute in the polynomial equation. What is the polynomial equation? K into 1 square plus 3 into 1 minus 1. Its value is 0. Then k into 1 square is 1, k into 1 k plus 3 minus 1 equal to 0. Then k minus k plus 2 equal to 0. Then you will get k equal to minus 2. These 4 points are we already discussed. Okay, these 4 points are very important points. So we can go to our next topic. Okay. Next our topic is algebraic identities. So first identity is a plus b all square. What is a plus b all square? Yes, that is a square plus 2ab plus b square. What about a minus b all square? A minus b all square equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Here, next third equation is a plus b into a minus b. What is a plus b into a minus b? Or a minus b into a plus b, that is a square minus b square. Next fourth identity is x plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b x plus ab. So here, so our first question, find the following products by using appropriate identities. What is first question? X plus 2 into x minus 2. So here we know this is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. You know what is a plus b into a minus b? That is a square minus b square. So here, what is a square minus b square? In the place of a is x, so x square minus what is b? 2 square. So very simple. So x square minus 4. This is the its product. X plus 2 into x minus 2. What is the second question? X minus 3 into x plus 3. This is also in the form of a minus b into a plus b. You know, a plus b into a minus b and a minus b into a plus b, both are saying. What is the answer? A square minus b square. So its answer is a square minus b square. So what is the answer? Here in the place of a x square minus b square. What is b? B is 3, not negative 3 square. So here x square minus 9. The product of x minus 3 into x plus 3 is x square minus 9. Okay, next our question is, without using actual multiplication, find 105 into 106. So here we have to use identities. 105, how to write 105? 105 means 100 plus 5 is 105. Ready? Next 106 means into 100 plus 6. Clear? Then which is in the form of, here this is a plus b, a minus b. No, it's not a form of a plus b into a minus b. What is the form? This is in the form of x plus a into x plus b. What is x plus a into x plus b? What is the answer? X square plus a plus b into x plus ab. Very simple. What is x here? 100. So 100 square plus a plus b. A is 5 plus b 6 into x 100 plus a into b 5 into 6. Very simple. Then 100 square, that is 10,000. 100 into 100 plus 5 plus 6 11. 11 into 100 1100 plus 5 into 6 30. Then what is the answer? 1130. Clear. So next our second question is 104 into 96. So here how to write 104, that is 100 plus 4 into 96. 100 minus 4 or 90 plus 6. Okay, it is in the form of x plus a into x plus b. No, not a form of x plus a into x plus b, which is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. Okay, this is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. You can also use x plus a into x plus b, no problem. So here this is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. What is a plus b into a minus b? A square minus b square. So what is a square here? 100 square minus b square 4 square. 100 square is 10,000 minus 16. 9,984. Okay, next question is find x plus 3 into x minus 2 by using identities. So here is x plus a into x plus b. This is in the form of x plus a into x plus b. So you have some doubt, sorry, which is in the form of a plus b into a minus, is it b? No. So here you cannot use a plus b into a minus b. Clear? Both are different numbers. So you cannot use a plus b into a minus b, which is in the form of x plus a into x plus b. What is x plus a into x plus b? That is x square. You know, x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. So here what is x square? In the place of x is also x. So x square plus a plus b, 3 plus what is b? Here b is minus 2 into x. What is x here? X plus a into b. What is a? 3 into b is minus 2. So x square plus 3 plus minus 2, that is 1. 1 in the x, x, 3 into minus 2, minus 6. So the product of x plus 3 into x minus 2 is x square plus x minus 6. Okay, next our topic is factorization by using identities. Listen, factorize x square plus 6x plus 9. This is in the form of expanded form. You know what is a plus b all square? A plus b all square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. A square plus 2ab plus b square is the expanded form. This is the factorized form. A plus b all square is factorized form. So here this is in the form of a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, in the place of a square is a square equal to x square. Then what is a? Square square cancel, a equal to x. What is in the place of b square? 9. Then you know 9 means b square equal to 9. 9 is equal to, you can write as 9 as 3 square. Square square cancel, then b equal to 3. Okay. So what is 2 into a into b? 2 into x into 3. 2 into x into 3, that is 6x. Okay, that is correct. Therefore, its answer is a plus b whole square. What is a? X plus b, 3 whole square. Is the factorized form of x square plus 6x plus 9. So, next question, factorize 9x square minus 6x plus 1. Very simple, which is in the form of a square minus 2ab plus b square. What is a square here? 9x square. So a square equal to 9x square is the square of 3x whole square. Suppose it is 4x square, that is 2x whole square. If it is 25x square 5x whole square. If it is 3x square, that is root 3x square. If it is 5x square, that is root 5x whole square. So here in the place of b square, 1. 1 is square of 1 square. You can cancel square, then b equal to 1. Here a equal to 3x. So you got a equal to 3x and b equal to 1. What is 2ab? 2ab, 2 into 3x, 6x, 6x into 1, 6x. It is correct. So answer is a minus b whole square. So here a is 3x minus b is 1 whole square. Very simple. The factorized form of 9x square minus 6x plus 1 is 3x minus 1 whole square. So next here, factorize 4y square minus 4y plus 1, which is in the form of a square minus 2ab plus b square. What is a square here? A square equal to 4y whole square. A square equal to complete square of 4y square is 2y whole square. Square square cancel. A equal to 2y. And next b square equal to 1. 1 is square of 1 square. So you can cancel 1 square square. Then b equal to 1. Then verify 2ab is 4y. So 2 into a into b. What is 2 into a? For 2y. 2 into 2y 4y. 4y into b, that is 4y. Clear? Ready? So the factorized form of 4y square minus 4y plus 1 is a minus b whole square. What is a? For 2y minus b. What is b? 1 whole square. Next listen here. This is in the form of a square minus b square. What is a square here? X square. So you can cancel square square. A equal to x. Here b square equal to 16. B square equal to 16 is square of 4. So 4 square. Square square cancel. B equal to 4. You know a square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b. That is a plus b into a minus b. Okay. So here write as a plus b into a minus b. What is a here? X plus b 4 into a minus b x minus 4 is the factorized form of x square minus 16. Very simple. Next here, which is also in the form of a square minus b square. What is a square here? 4x square. So a square equal to 4x square is square of 2x whole square. Square square cancel. A equal to 2x. Very simple. Here b square equal to y square divided by 100. So b square equal to y square divided by 100. You can write as y divided by 10 whole square. Suppose it is y square divided by 25, that is y divided by 5 whole square. Suppose like this, y square divided by 16, how to write? Y divided by 4 whole square. So you can cancel square square, then b equal to y by 10. What is a square minus b square, which is a plus b into a minus b, a plus b into a minus b. 2x plus b y divided by 10 into a minus b, 2x minus y divided by 10. So these are the questions of factorization by using identities.